I'm going to test the centrifugal switch on my dryer motor. I've got these two clips hooked up to make it a little easier. The switch is in here. When I flip it, it should have continuity. As you can see, not very well. There we go. It does not. So even with the clips off, if I touch it here and here on the terminals, it should have continuity when the switch goes forward. But unfortunately, something inside there is not quite right. It should show continuity like this. It does not. See if I can take it apart and fix it. So hopefully you can see that in there. I know it's a little shaky, but I've got it magnified. You can see those contacts showing signs of arcing. So I'm going to clean those up with some sandpaper, put it back together, hope for the best, order a new one, because it's probably going to do it again. So I've got it put back together, took it apart, followed the points. It worked fairly well. Give it a try. Appears to be working pretty consistently. First time I put it back together, didn't work so well. Took it back apart again, put the file on the points, adjusted the spring tension a little bit. It seems to be working.